Hello friends, you are watching This is Awesome Videos, and today we are going to solve some problems on area under the curve. Okay, so I taught the formula on the last video. So this is a very important chapter. Why? Because each and every mains paper or advanced paper have one or two questions like this. Okay, so today I am going to solve the question which is asked in 2015 and 16, and tomorrow the last video on area under the curve I solved some more example. Though it is not asked in JEE mains, but it is also important. You have an idea that how we are going to solve this. Okay, let's see first one. This is asked in JEE 2015. So the area of the region described by x comma y, where y square less than or equal to 2x and y greater than or equal to 4x minus 1 is. Okay, see friends, first of all you have to make a good graph. Okay, how you are going to make that? See, okay, let's first equation. First is y square is equal to 2x. So this is equation of the parabola. So y square is equal to 2x with origin 0 comma 0, and this is the parabola. Then y is equal to 4x minus 1. How you are going to draw this line? This is linear equation, it's a lines equation. How you are going to draw this? Take y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 by 4. So this point is 1 by 4 comma 0, and take x is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 1. So this point is minus 1 comma 0. You have 2 points and make a straight line. So you have now this graph, but you don't have this coordinate, the intersection of these two curve. So you are going to find that. Simple. How? Y square less than or equal to x and y greater than or equal to 4x minus 1. By solving this, you have y square is equal to 2x, just y square is equal to x and y is equal to 4x minus 1. Now you have to solve this. How you are going to solve this? Just simply put x equals to y plus 1 by 4 here. Y plus 1 by 4. Okay, and then you get a quadratic equation in the form of y. I don't solve that equation. Why? Because I want that you do that by your own. Okay, and you will get the answer 1 and minus 1 by 2. Now if you have y coordinate, by putting that in this or this, any of the equation, you get the x coordinate. Okay, so you have y coordinate 1 and minus 1 by 2. So see friends, here this is y is equal to minus 1 by 2, and this is y is equal to 1. Okay, so you have minus 1 by 2 and 1, minus 1 by 2 here and 1 here. Now see this clearly. Now what area you have to find out? Okay, so see friends, you have to find out the common area between that. Now here y square less than equals to 2x, less than equal to 2x. Now just simply put 0 comma 0 here. If the 0 comma 0 origin satisfy, then the area is of this side. So if I put 0 and 0 here, then 0 less than or equal to 0, that is true. So my area is like this. This whole area I have to cover. This whole area, okay? I have to cover the origin. You can put any of the point, and if the equation is satisfied, then that point must be covered in your area. So that is the area. Okay, now y greater than equal to 4x. Now again put origin, so it comes 0 greater than or equal to minus 1. That is also true. So the area which covered for the parabola is, I am selecting a different color pen. So here it is the parabola. So the area covered by parabola is like this, the outside the parabola. Okay, so you have to select the common area between that. So if I'm going to tell what is the common area, the common area is this and this and this area. Okay, so how you are going to find that area? What is the common area? Let me mark that. This is my common area. Okay, I mark that common area by red pen so you can easily understand. Okay, So this is my common area. Okay friends. Now we have the limit on y. It is minus 1 by 2 and it is 1. We have limits on y. Now see friends, what we are going to do. You just have to integrate the line first from minus 1 by 2 to 1. So you have this area, this much of area. Then integrate the parabola from minus 1 by 2 to 1. Then you have this much of area. And if you subtract both, you have this area. Okay. Understand? First minus 1 by 2 to 1 line. So you have which area? Let's see this. Also from minus 1 by 2 to 1 you have this area. Okay, I mark it out. You have this much of area. If you integrate minus 1 by 2 to 1, okay, you have this much of area. This is y is equal to 1. So area under the curve. So you have this much of area if you integrate line from minus 1 by 2 to 1. Okay. Now if you integrate minus 1 by 2 to 1 parabola, then you have which area? This much of area. This outside the parabola, because we are doing with respect to y. So this much of area, and then sorry, this area. And if you subtract both, you have this much of area. Okay. So just simply line minus parabola. Let's do that. We have equation, we have limits from minus 1 by 2 to 1. Line, you are limiting with dy, so you have to multiply with x. So I just form equation of x dy. Then line minus parabola. What is the equation of line? X is equal to y plus 1 by 4 minus parabola, that is y square by 2. And just simply integrate this. How? We all know the integration. I am not going to the integration part because it's very simple. You just have to doing by your own self. The main idea, the main concept I taught here is line minus parabola. Okay, understand friends? If you don't understand, ask me in comments. This is very simple because you have to find this much of area, so you have to subtract line minus parabola. Okay. Let's see one more example. It is asked in JEE 2016. The area of the region x comma y square greater than or equal to x and x square plus y square less than or equal to 4x, x greater than 0, y greater than 0 is. Okay, so first of all, x greater than 0, y greater than 0, that means first quadrant. Okay, y square greater than or equal to 2x, that means it is also a parabola with origin 0, 0. I draw it out. Then x square plus y square less than or equal to 4x. This is the equation of circle with the center 2, 0. Okay, how you find it? Just take an out minus 4x as this side, so it becomes x square plus y square minus 4x is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x is equal to 0. Now add 4 on the both side, then you have x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 4. So this becomes x minus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 4, that is 2 square. So you have the center as 2, 0 and the area as 2. Okay, so I draw it out also. Now you have this much of figure without intersection point. Yeah, you have to find the intersection point. How? Let's do that. You have these equations: x square plus y square is equal to 4x, y square greater than or equal to 2x. Now I taught you earlier, we know that x square plus y square is equal to 4x. So just simply put y square is equal to 2x here and make an equation in the form of whole x. So it is x square minus 2x is equal to 0. X is common out, x and x minus 2, so it's x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. Very simple thing. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2, so it's 0, 0 and 2, 2. 0, 0 and 2, 2. So you have to find this shaded region. Okay, now please tell me how you are going to do this. We have the limit in the x-axis, so it is dx, so you have to multiply y with it, so it's y dx. Okay, we all know that limit is 0 to 2. Now see friends, here first the greater area is for circle, so you have to, if you find the larger area, that is circle, then it's for whole area this, then subtract parabola from that, so you have remained with this. Simple. So you have to do one thing. What? Circle minus parabola. Understand? Let's do that. So you have limit between 0 to 2, y1 minus y2 dx. But what is y1? It's circle minus parabola, it's y2. So 0 to 2 circle, 0 to 2 parabola. You just have to need to understand the basic concept. Okay, so by circle you all know that You can do with the integration also, but it takes some time. So if you don't want to do that, you know that it's the fourth part of the whole circle. So its area is pi r square by 4. So I just write it down, pi r square by 4, and r is 2. I put it here. So I got it's pi. Now for this, it's parabola. You don't have any particular formula for area of the parabola, so we have to go through the basics. So I put y is equal to root 2x. Y is equal to root of 2x. So it's root 2 into x is to 1 by 2. Root 2 is common. So x is to 1 by 2's integration is x root 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So it's 2 by 3 from 0 to 2. Now just put 2 here and 0, upper limit minus lower limit. So you have 2 root 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 3 by 2. So 2 raised to 3 by 2 into 2 raised to 1 by 2. That is 2 raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 2 raised to 2. That is 4. So 4 into 2 by 3. It's 8 by 3. So my answer is pi minus 8 by 3. So which answer option? Option number 2 is my right option, pi minus 8 by 3. Okay. So these are the basic things. The integration and all of the stuff is very simple. You just need to know how you are going to evaluate the required area. Okay. I am going to post one more video on this topic, and then I am going to cover one new chapter. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.